Hi guys. In my recent trip to Portugal, there was one thing I just fell in love with. Pastel de nata, which is a Portuguese egg tart. Flakey pastry topped with creamy, gooey custard, egg custard. Baked to perfection, the top becomes brown. It is out of this world yummy. In Portugal, I was there for 7 days. I think each and every single day I had pastéis de nata. It was so good. And the chef in me, I thought, when I go back home, I have to try this recipe. So this recipe of pastéis de nata is for you guys to try it at home. This brings back the Portuguese memory, totally. For pastel de nata, I have 4 egg yolks separated. I'm not using the white. Vanilla extract, some puff pastry dough. I can show a video how to make puff pastry. Today I'm using some ready puff pastry and a cup of milk. Muffin pan. Beat the egg yolk with sugar very well. I'm adding powder sugar, 4 teaspoon, heaped teaspoon of powder sugar. Mix it very well. In this egg mixture, I have also added a spoonful of corn flour dissolved in 1 teaspoon milk. I have added this to this mixture and just waiting for the milk custard to thicken up. I'll start with the dough. Dust it with flour well and roll it out. So I've placed the dough in a way in my muffin trays so that each one forms a cup. 180 degrees centigrade for about 20 minutes. Guys, if you like this video, do hit the subscribe button. Like, comment and share. There is a bell icon. Please press the bell icon. You will be notified whenever I upload a video. I don't want you to miss any of my videos.